Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture is where we are starting like a pro. It's about clicker training. If you master this, your pet will learn faster, clearer, and with less confusion. Let me ask you, have you ever felt like your pet almost understands but not perfectly? That's usually a communication gap. The clicker fixes that. First step, what is clicker training? A clicker is a small tool that makes a sound which sounds like a click, and that sound means yes, that's exactly what I wanted. It's like taking a snapshot of the exact correct behavior. Next is charging the clicker, which is very important. Before using it, your pet must understand what the click means. How to do it? Step 1. Simply click and immediately give a treat. Repeat this 10 to 15 times, and now your pet learns that click means a reward is coming. Next step is mark the exact behavior. Now we use it for training. For example, your pet sits, the exact moment their bottom touches the ground, you click and then reward your pet. Perfect timing means faster learning. Using clicker for any behavior. You can use it for commands like sit, stay, come, or while performing few tricks like roll or shake, or for correcting any behavior. It works for both dogs and cats. That's a good thing. Next step is timing. Timing is very important. It is everything. The click must happen at the exact correct moment, not before, not after. That's what makes clicker training powerful. Wait the clicker slowly. Once your pet understands the behavior, you don't need to click every time. Gradually reduce the clicks, replace with praise or occasional rewards. This builds long-term behavior. Let's discuss few common mistakes. Few mistakes that many trainers do is like clicking too late, or clicking without rewarding, or overusing it randomly. You need to make sure that your pet doesn't get confused with the clicker noise. Every click must mean something. Now, as usual, let's do a quick exercise. Wait for your pet to do something naturally, like sitting. The moment it happens, just do a click and reward the pet with some treat. No command, just observation. This is called capturing behavior, and it's very powerful. Let me give you a pro tip. Click means precision. Think of the clicker as a communication tool. It tells your pet that exact action and do it again. And here's something powerful. The clearer you are, the faster your pet learns because confusion disappears. That's all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we'll explore something fun and important, which is mental stimulation and brain games. This keeps your pet happy, smart, and engaged. So grab your clicker, start practicing, and I'll see you in the next lecture.